a sad misfortune that you wouldn't think would happen with a great man like Coach Wilson driving the car. But, you know, that curve came out of nowhere, and he just slammed in it perfectly to blow the tire and delay us.
It's hard to say. My favorite part when we left, and it was finally on the way home.
Well, what Justin took from it was that the sprint coach, he likes to cut corners, you know, but it's okay because Justin just knows that when he drives, that won't happen. And I think Justin learned how to, you know, the position, you got to get all the little nuts out. So I think Justin learned a lot.
Keyshawn, do you have anything to add?
We went for the freshman pole bottom, we'll still be right there on the corner because no one else can change the time.
Can you repeat that?
My favorite part of the entire Xfinity experience, well, I enjoyed it, but Jeff Williams didn't really appreciate it. He's not a big fan of manual labor. I had it dirty on my hands and such, but it's okay.
He's a pretty boy.
But it was fun.
Okay, and Jeff, tell us a little bit about your race today.
Again, Jeff Williams tried to get out and, you know, go for it early. And it was good. You know, Coach taught Jeff how to, you know, go at the 250. And Jeff made his move. And, you know, he got too excited. So on 148, 149. And Jeff Williams leaned early. He won't do that in Tallahassee. But God is good.